Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olawa Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the iHatan Wi-Fi range extender. And I'll be talking more about it right after this. Now before I get started, if you find that my content is interesting or helpful, please give this video a thumbs up as it truly will help me out. Also, if you want to continuously receive content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so today we're going to talk about the iHatan Wi-Fi extender. All right, as you can see here, 1200 megabits per second Wi-Fi range extender. Not much going on the box. So with that stated, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. All right, nice and easy. Get this out. And in here you have your manual. Of course, you have an Ethernet cable as well. All right, so let's have a closer look at the iHatan Wi-Fi extender. As you can see here, you have 4 directional antennas. So you can have that 360 coverage. All right. And you have status lights here. So WPS, the Wi-Fi signal, Wi-Fi connection, and then you have your Ethernet status light as well. Ethernet port at the bottom, reset button. All right, and of course this is where you would plug it into the wall. All right, but really quick, let's go over some quick specs. So this is a dual band Wi-Fi extender, so you do get the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, and it can cover up to 2,500 square feet, and it can connect up to 25 devices at a time. Now it says dual band speeds up to 1200 megabits per second, and for the 5 gigahertz it's 864 megabits per second, and then for the 2.4 gigahertz you can get up to 300 megabits per second. All right, so this would be nice for people that have weak connection areas in their home. You know, let's say you're streaming, for your gaming, or you just, like I said, those areas that your connection is not as strong. This looks to be able to assist with that and improve your experience. All right, and it states a 360 wraparound antennas. All right, so that's what these are, so kind of spread out the network. So all in all, it looks like it's a straightforward setup and situation. And of course, it supports the protocols of WEP, WPA, and WPA2. All right, and also more. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. As you can see, you have those lights there, so it's powering up. That middle one is the Wi-Fi, and it's nice that it's red, so it's ready to go. Those are the 2 networks that I'm looking for. Now it depends on your router. If your router does have dual band capabilities, then you should see 2 of them. If it only has the one for the 2.4, or maybe it just has one where it doesn't broadcast both and it does them automatically, then you would just see one. All right, but in my case I have 2. All right, because it does broadcast both, and I'm able to split both the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz. All right, but again, these are the 2 that you will look for if your router allows you to do so. And as you can see there, it is asking me to sign in. So all I would do now is just tap on it and then create my password. Again, here you would just go ahead and create the password and then hit set password. After doing so, you should see a screen like this. Now I am doing this on an Android device, so it may look different on an iOS device such as an iPhone or iPad or even a PC or a Mac. All right, but once you choose one of those networks to connect to it, just choose the option that allows you to stay connected to it. After doing that, open up a browser like Chrome or Safari and then input that IP address in there, just like it mentioned in the manual, and then you're going to input that password that you created. Now, after entering your password, here you're able to change the name of the network if you wish to. All right, so you just tap here, you can name it what you want. Same thing with the other one. All right, and then you would hit save. Just so you can see what happens after it gets its IP address and when it's ready to go. So you can see how the light changes from it being now purple and before it was red. Now you should see what color it turns to in a few moments. So right now it's red. As you can see now it's blue. Once you see that blue light, that network or your extended networks are ready to be used. So what do I think about the iHatan extended router? I think it's pretty nice. I like the fact that if you have a router that only displays one network and it actually has the capabilities of providing both 2.4 and a 5 gigahertz band, this can split it off for you and you're able to choose which one you want to connect to manually. I definitely like that. Easy setup. The setup process is pretty straightforward. And I like the fact that it has an Ethernet port at the bottom. So if you wanted to plug in something directly to it, you can. And all in all, I definitely think this is a winner. I'm glad the LEDs are nice and bright so you can read it from a distance and you can see what's going on and you can know your status. I definitely like the multiple antennas to help spread the network connection or extend the network. Now, if you want to purchase the iHatan extended router, of course, I'll have a link posted in the description section of this video. This completes my review of the iHatan Wi-Fi range extender. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.